Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I clean my Juki sewing machine from everything from a quick dusting, as you see here, and a quick simple clean all the way to a deep clean when it's been a while and it's time to just really thoroughly clean my machine. In between every use, I do just take a duster and I dust over the whole machine, just keeping it as clean on the outside as possible. I don't like the dust to collect. And here you see I have opened up the little compartment, and my favorite tool is a mascara wand. I use that just pretty much for almost all my cleaning. You can buy those in bulk online. They're extremely inexpensive and they are amazing for catching all the little bits of lint and dust. They just trap it and grab it and pull it out of the machine. It's just the best tip I could ever give you is grab some mascara wands. And they fit in all the little nooks and crannies. You can just kind of dig in there and grab all that lint out of your machine. So here I'm just in the little compartment. This is what I do in between each of my little projects, just clean out the little compartment. Next level, I don't do this every time, but the next level cleaning would be to take off this metal plate, which you can just easily unscrew either with a little flathead screwdriver or with a little tool that comes with the machine. Juki has a little tool that also works. Again, I'm using my mascara wand, just kind of brushing over the top, grabbing all the little lint that I didn't get when I cleaned in the compartment. Sometimes it can get jammed up there and in between the plate and the gear. So here I'm just kind of grabbing it, quick and easy. Going over through the little compartment once more, anything that might have dropped in. And then on the bottom of the machine, there's this handy little trap door, and it lets you access the bottom side of that same compartment. This is one of my favorite features because all the little bits of lint that I couldn't see from above, I can see on the bottom side and grab those. And again, you don't have to do any major unscrewing of anything. You can just quickly check. It's not a big deal to open that little trap door and grab the lint inside. So this is kind of that second level, just quick cleaning that I do in between each project. Not a super deep clean, but it gets the gears clean and ready to go for the next project. And then next we're going to go up to probably once a month. I'll really deep clean my machine. And it's also very easy. I'm using here the little tool that comes with the machine. You can also use a flathead screwdriver. Taking off the screws to the bottom of the entire machine. And look at it, just pops right off. And you can see all those gorgeous metal gears. This is pretty clean. It's been cleaned recently, but I just want to show how, again, you can just take that mascara wand in there and grab any lint that you can see. There have been times where this has been so full of lint, it almost looks like the lint catcher in my dryer. Just jam-packed with lint, and it's fabulous that we can just open this up and clean it out really good. Most machines don't have this feature, and this is what I love about the Juki. And here I'm just putting back on the base of the machine. And I like to when I take off the screws, I like to keep them in the order that I took them off and put them back on in the same order. I don't think you have to do that. I think they're all the same. But I do that just to be safe, so that everything works just right. Here we pop it back up, put the plate back on, and it's just easy, just screws right back on. And next step, I'm just going to oil the machine. So we just put a drop of oil in each of those, on the top of the machine, in each of the 4 larger holes. Nice and easy. And then on the base part of the machine, there's 2 larger holes, and we just put a drop in each of those. Next, I just thread my machine. Again, I had taken out the thread at the beginning to easily maneuver it and tip it over, and now I'm going to rethread it and it's going to be ready to go. This is the easiest machine I've ever owned as far as cleaning goes. It's a breeze to clean and I actually enjoy it. And here we're ready to go. So that's how I clean my Juki.